The real reason most AI sales emails fail are that they smell desperate. They're usually overly polite, they apologize for interrupting, they use words like thrilled and synergy. And this happens because a standard AI model is as a people pleaser. It's trained to be helpful and nice, but nice is not going to close those high-ticket deals. Authority is what you need. To fix this, you have to strip out the customer service personality out of the AI and replace it with the sales machine. And in our case, we built Jude, our AI sales specialist. So we don't just prompt Jude, we install 2 massive files in his brain before a single word is even written. We start by uploading over 1,000 lines of custom instructions and knowledge documents. These contain things like the sales methodologies, certain frameworks that we want him to use, like the challenger sale or gap selling. And we force Jude to unlearn the how can I help standard and learn what is costing you money right now. Second, and most importantly, we upload your brand blueprint. Now, this is not like a logo kit. It's more like a digital dossier that defines exactly who your company is. Some of it includes your brand voice, information on your ideal client, your anti-persona, your kill list. A kill list is kind of like a list of banned words that you don't want to use, like revolutionary or unlock, or the classic opener, hope you're well. Right? So let's use an example. For a hypothetical client, we'll call them Velos Logistics. They sell enterprise shipping software. Their brand blueprint, they want to focus on no fluff. They only want to speak in metrics. Instructions are, we want to use the cost of inaction framework. Okay. So let's start by how would it work with a generic bot with, a blank window. You'll get something like a subject line, exciting opportunity. Hi there, I hope your week is off to a great start. Would love to hop on a call to chat about how we can revolutionize your shipping. Now let's look at an AI trained with a blueprint and some instructions. Subject line, Q4 freight variance. Our data shows Atlantic routes are up 14% this month. If you're currently on spot rates, you're probably bleeding roughly $15,000 per container. I've got a lane analysis that fixes this. Do you want it? Do you see the difference there? The blueprint enforced the data voice. The instructions used the cost of inaction. It's going to book a meeting for you. Now, your AI is only as good as the data you give it. If you give it nothing, you're going to get a generic assistant. But if you give it a blueprint and a methodology and some frameworks, you're going to get a top performer on your team. I'm Sandeep, and this is Brain Spots in Business. We'll catch you on the next one.